with a wag and a woof. E is for elephant, it goes. F is for fish, swimming with her nose. G is for goat, in the grass. H is for hat on your head in class. I is for igloo, so cold. J is for jump, be brave, be bold. K is for kite, flying high and free. L is for lion, roaring la la with glee. M is for monkey, he hums. N is for noodles, slurp them with your thumbs. O is for octopus, in the sea. P is for penguin, happily. Q is for queen, with her quiet qua. R is for rain, falling with a hush. S is for sun, up in the sky. T is for train, chugging by. U is for umbrella, when it pours. V is for violin, voo 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 with chords. W is for whale, big and wide. X is for xylophone, clang with pride. Y is for yogurt, yum yum. Z is for zebra, zigzag run. Let's learn our sounds, have fun each day.